an extensible nodal network or an educational ontology based on the concept of apartonomy. Here I have an article, okay? This article is a specific type of content within Drupal, and this particular article has 7 embedded teaching and learning objects. Now here's teaching and learning object 1, and the caption of this object is embedded in the article. And so this is the title and this is the caption of the first learning object, and I can click here and discuss the first learning object. This is the second learning object, and so I have 7 of these TLOs embedded into this article, of which you only see the titles and the captions. Now I'm going to jump down to the TLO 6, okay? And let's just, and if I look here, what I see here, I'm in the article, all I see is the title and the caption. Now if I click on the learning object, okay, so this is like I'm now into TLO 1, I see the title of this, the caption of this learning object, which I also saw on the previous page, but now I see additional material. I see the caption from another object and the object itself, the caption and title of an additional object, and the caption and title of an additional object. So there are 3 objects embedded within the body of this object, and if I go and look at the actual data, here is the caption, which shows both on this page and the article. But here is the body, and I have to click on this TLO to see this body, and what I see are the learning objects and captions of 3 additional TLOs. And now if I go back here and go back to view, and I click on the first one, I am now down to this layer, and I see the title, the object, and the caption, but in the body of this one there's additional material. And so I can continue adding material as the course is run. And if I go back here, this was something that I added after the course started. Then one of my students figured out a way to do this with Google Sheets. Then another one of my students figured out another way to do this with Google Sheets. And so we added on to the content of the original class as our students found new ways of answering questions with cheminformatics. Thank you.